Hi, I hope you are doing well. This is Tito Jose from Learn With Me. Today, we are going to look at how to combine text into a single string using different formula. I have first name, middle name, last name. We'll look at how to combine first name, middle name, last name and form the full name. One way to do is using concatenate function. Let us see how it is done. Equal to concatenate first name, I'll select middle name, I'll select last name, I'll close bracket, enter. Is this okay? Is this how we want it? No, I wanted a space in between first name, middle name and last name. So to add a space in between the names, what we are going to do is, we'll enter the formula once again, concatenate first name, comma, in quotes, I'll enter a space, I close the quote, comma, middle name, comma, in quotes, space, comma, last name. There we have it, Vanessa M. Chavez. This is using concatenate function. Let us see how it is done using ampersand function. That is equal to first name, ampersand, middle name, ampersand, last name, enter. And here too, I need to have spaces in between the names. So to add spaces in between, I'll add a space between quotes, enter. You got the full name using ampersand. Now let us see how it is done using text join function. Equal to text join. I want to separate these names using space. So I'm going to enter a space in quote, right? And I'm going to select ignore empty cells. In the list, I'm going to select if there is any empty cell, it is going to ignore that, comma. Now I'm going to select the list, that is first name, middle name and last name. Bracket close, enter. There we have it, 3 different ways to combine text into a single string. There is one more way to do it, that is using Power Query. Let us see how it is done. I'll press Ctrl T to turn this to a table and I'll click OK. I'll remove the filter button. I'll go to data, from table. Power Query editor opens up. I'll select all these 3 columns. I'll go to transform, merge columns. I want to separate these names using space. I'll select space. The new column that I'm going to get, I want to name it as full name. So it is full name. I'll click OK. There it is. First name, middle name and last name have been combined. I'll go to home, close and load to existing worksheet. There you have it, 4 different ways to combine text into a single string. Which one did you like the most? Please leave your comment in the comment box. Thank you for your time. Until our next time together, be well in the world.